age right number, motherfucker! How many of us have been
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Yes, sir, I will.
Police had to use 2 tasers to stop this woman. On September 8th, 2023, a woman in a bathing suit was running around a hotel, disturbing the guest. So the hotel manager called police to remove her from the property.
Sheriff's office.
Might I ask what the problem is?
Sheriff's office.
I was approached by someone, and I would like to know what the problem is. Because I can't even get in my own pool. There was a dog in the parking lot.
Unlock the door. Unlock the door.
You're gonna go to jail if you don't open the door.
If you don't open this, you're gonna go to jail.
I'm going to DFAX, and I'm going to my lawyers. I want you all to calm down for a minute.
Unlock the door,
and I will
please.
unlock it for you.
Okay, go ahead and remove it.
Now,
Unlock it.
might I ask why?
Because we're telling you to.
Do you have a warrant?
I don't need a warrant.
Don't need one.
Why was that lady?
You're going to jail.
All right,
That's
you've
it.
been warned.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yep, so are we. Open the
Okay,
door.
what do you want me to do, baby?
Unlock
Open
the
the
door.
door.
Okay, are you going to arrest me?
Unlock the door.
No, go get my lawyer.
Okay, now you just added a charge of resisting. Good
No,
job.
I would like to speak with my lawyer. The lady replied to the roots.
The woman violently refused to open the door for the officers. The woman was in fear. She felt like she was being treated unfair because she wasn't allowed to use the pool. The cops warn her to open the door or she will go to jail. Just like you might go to jail if you don't like and subscribe to our channel. When they got in, and the woman tried to get physical with the officers, leading to her getting tased.
Still, I'll open it.
Unlock it. Here we go.
Look, man, what do you want me to say to you? That's
Fantastic.
I want to speak with my lawyer.
Okay, you're gonna need a lawyer.
Yes, you do. Sir, chill the fuck out, yo. You are an abomination. And who might y'all be? Age, rank, number, motherfucker. How many of us have been
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Yes, sir, I will. I apologize.
She instantly fixed her attitude while the officers were arresting her, explaining she was scared and didn't know what to do.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Yes, sir, I will. I apologize. It's so scary,
Down.
I don't
Get
know
down.
what to do.
Face down, hands behind your back.
Please, I'm not anyone. I'm just someone's daughter lost down here. I'm here, shut up. I want to speak to my lawyer. I want to speak to my lawyer from Punta Gorda.
You'll get a chance to do that.
Thank you, sir. I apologize. I don't know, I'm going to go to prison for 8 years if you guys take me off instead of being able to do my business.
I didn't do that to you.
Yeah, you did when you let Ellen sell me like a slave.
You're gonna stop in the car.
Can I have a cigarette, please, sir? Why is it my fault?
Stop tensing up.
I want someone to collect my property. Please bring
Stop tensing up.
I have $200 classes on
Stop.
goddamn box so I can get into that studio.
And you're gonna walk like
and
a
it's
grown-up.
my studio.
Do you understand me?
Yes, sir, I do.
You
Yes,
understand
sir,
me?
sir.
She was charged with trespassing after warning and resisting arrest.
Stop it right now.
Bitch ass nigga, what?
Stop it right now. I'm trying to.
No, bitch ass nigga, what? Yeah, bitch ass, yeah, you better be scared.
Stand up.
Nigga, get the f out.
This is Javier. Police showed up at his house in April 2023 because of a call on domestic abuse against his own parents. When police got to the house, they called for Javier to come out. He refused, and the police were forced to physically escalate the issue.
No, open. Wanna go?
Yeah. Back is open.
Hey, police department, come here.
Javier!
Javier, come here. Come talk outside.
Get out, so.
Come talk outside. Javier, stop! Open the door! Open the door! Open the door! Open the door! On the ground! On the ground!
Dame su pinche pedo, güey. Dame su pinche pedo, güey. Dame su pinche pedo, cabrón. Hit the lights, hit the lights, hit the lights. Hit the lights, hit the lights, hit the lights. Ah, man. We're good, we're good, we're good. Yep, yep. We're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. We're good, we're good. You guys, Ahora sí, ma. Nunca me hables de pinche vida otra vez. Okay, está bien.
You got it?
Nigga, dude, you guys violated nasty.
Ya cállate, Javier, cállate.
Pinches hijos de su puta madre.
Wrong to the side.
Get the fuck off me, motherfucker.
Stop.
Fucking kill you, fuck.
Stop it right now.
Bitch ass nigga, what? What,
Stop
nigga?
it right now. I'm trying
What,
to
bitch ass nigga, what? Yeah, bitch ass, yeah, you better be scared, motherfucker.
Stand up.
Nigga, get the fuck off me.
Stand up.
Get the fuck off me here. Come on.
Stand
Get
up.
the fuck off me, mother.
Stand up.
Get the fuck off me.
I'm helping you off.
Just sit him up for now. Hey, bitch ass nigga. Why you think this is funny, nigga? Hey, why if I do this to your house, nigga? Huh?
Javier, you need to calm down.
Bitch ass nigga.
Hey. Javier.
Javier was extremely violent towards the police, calling them slurs and threatening them, also making claims the officers have no warrant or right to enter his house.
Your handcuff is over, man. Okay, you need to calm down here.
Hey, bitch ass nigga.
Javier.
You think I won't fight with you? Váyase a la verga, pinche puta. Ves que me estoy yendo ciego. Pinche hija de su puta madre.
Javier, come on, you guys have it, Javier. Let's go. Stand up.
Pinche padre mamón, hijo de puta.
Javier, stop. Javier, stop.
You got it. You gonna do, dog? Yeah, that's what I thought. You ain't gonna do shit,
We're
homie.
gonna need a hobble.
Yeah, motherfucker. You ain't gonna do shit to me, dog. See, nigga, you ain't gonna do shit. You gonna do shit, see? Look.
Javier, you need to stop, man. Come on.
You nigga, you cross the fucking line, bitch.
Come on.
I'm sorry, he told me to stop.
Ahorita hablo contigo, Ahorita hablo contigo, señor.
Chico, su putas madres, güey. Get the fuck out of me, nigga. You see, you niggas can't even fucking handle me, dog. So, dog, what, nigga? Do what the fuck you gotta do? Right there, look at your car. There you go, see? What are you gonna do?
Who's in
I
five?
even love myself, what?
Who's in five?
Put him on the side.
All over. Just leave him on the side.
Even while handcuffed, Javier was still persistent on disrespecting and threatening the officers. He says they're cowards that he can beat in a fight.
Yeah, y'all can't even handle me, you bitch ass motherfucker. So imagine, see? Yeah, I gotta put your Porsche. See, motherfucker, you can't handle me, dog.
Javier, it's over, man.
You. And now that you did this shit, I just wanna let you know. You want a handicapped Christian now, motherfucker. So what's up now, bitch? Now you're gonna get it, bitch. So if I put lawsuits against you, motherfucker, you better not be scared, motherfucker. I'm going legally blind. And I don't even have my fucking glasses, you bitch ass. You guys are bitches, dude. You with the wrong fat boy, dude. Alright, sure, just let me alone.
Javier,
Stand up.
can you stand up for us, man? Is that cool? We don't want to tie you up, bro.
You,
Can
dude.
Can you
You, dude, shut the fuck up. Don't ever call me bro, dude. I ain't your
try
bro.
and do this just
You,
this
dude.
easy way, man.
You lucky I got this handcuffs. I'll beat the living shit out of you, dude.
Okay, I'm making this hard. Come on, Javier.
You, dude.
When he was taken to the jail, Javier insists the officers take off the handcuffs so he can fight them.
Hey, what? What's up?
If you're gonna keep banging, you're gonna go
So-
in the chair. Do you understand?
What's up?
You
What's up,
don't
then?
wanna
Go
in the
ahead,
chair.
go ahead, bro.
You don't wanna
Don't pick on me when I'm at handcuffs.
I'm not.
Take this bitch
Hey.
asses off. And what's up?
Chill out.
Say,
Just chill
all right.
out. This isn't gonna change. You yelling and screaming, this isn't gonna change.
What's up, dude?
anything,
And they take these handcuffs
I've
off.
seen
And
you for a
let,
while. Hey, I've done
and
this for a long time.
let me see what's up then. I want to see what kind of man you are. Take these handcuffs and let's see
You
what's up.
think because I could beat your ass, I'm a bigger man than you?
No, I could beat the living
You
shit
think
out
if
of
you
you.
beat my ass, you're a bigger man than me? Is that what you think?
The police tried to get Javier calm, but he insisted on fighting to prove his strength.
Is that what you think? Because no, it doesn't
See,
matter.
you got your back up though. There you go.
No, seriously.
They know they f***ed up.
Listen.
They f***ed up. They fought. You f***ed up, dude.
You could beat all of our asses. Do you think that would make you a bigger man?
Alright, then just take out my handcuffs and let me close the door.
Then sit down and just
Alright, then take out
Stop
these
yelling.
handcuffs.
Stop
Alright
yelling.
then. Alright, then take
Sit
out
down.
these handcuffs and I'm gonna sit down.
you be cool for a couple
Alright.
minutes, and
No,
we'll do that.
No, do it right now. 'Cause
No,
I'm
I just
tired.
told you, listen, hey, just be cool for a couple minutes. Take a breath, and we'll take the cuffs off. You hear me? Alright.
Alright. And I got all the paperwork. I can't wait to show the judge that you're with a blind person that's going blind and still putting them in the ground like a piece of shit, you motherfucker. Let's see what's up now. Now when I show that to the judge, and I got cameras around my crib, so I want to see what's up now, motherfucker. And you guys went into my house with no warrant, motherfucker. Nah, you dude. You're not my friend.
Hey, listen, we weren't there because we just
No, but you guys opened the door. You guys have no right. You guys have no right to
Your
open
mom
the
and
door.
dad called
It
us.
doesn't matter. You don't have no right.
Listen.
I know my rights.
We do.
No, you don't.
Listen,
No, you
can you let
don't.
me talk? Can you let me talk? Or you just gonna yell over me? Do you want answers? I'll give you an answer. When we get called for something like that, if we can hear yelling and screaming, we can go in.
No, you can't.
Yes, we can.
No, you can't. We don't have no warrant,
Then you know
dog.
what? Then you know what? Hey, look. Then you're gonna be right. Then in court, your case is gonna be thrown out. So no amount of yelling.
So what?
or
So I
yelling
can be locked up and be
Okay.
suffering through this shit that I ain't even supposed to suffer? Motherfucker, I'm
Listen,
going
we
blind, you
call your
bitch ass
parents
motherfucker.
then. Your parents called, not us.
You bitch ass nigga. I'm going blind, you with a handicapped person,
All right.
and you put him down like a bitch, motherfucker. I bet you when I show the judge and all the proof that I'm going blind, you bitch ass nigga. How the fuck is gonna make that look like that? Cause you guys.
He was arrested and charged with domestic battery, resisting arrest, and assault on law enforcement. Let us know in the comments if he ever had a run-in with the police and how it went. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, stay safe and out of trouble.